Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Peserta. I live in Kota Langsa. I am one of the participants who already finished this awesome program. This program is tremendously valuable, made by Bpsdm Aceh. First of all, I would like to congratulate you guys on what you've done. I'm totally amazed because you have succeeded reaching this stage. I know it's not easy. There are plethora of requirements that you have to fulfill. Your sacrifice, you left your work, your friends. However, you did it. That's why you are here right now. Here, I want to share my experiences, my impressions during this program. I am able to enhance my ability in English. To be honest, I know nothing about IELTS, but I got it right now. And the class was so attractive. I guarantee you will not be bored. You will be taught by experienced tutors. They will teach you about reading, grammar, listening, writing, speaking, and reading. There are many activities. It's not only learning in the class, but also outdoor activity, city tour, playing games, cross-understanding, cooking, and dancing at the end. I'm not kidding you. I'm pretty sure it would be fun, and you will socialize with new friends. If you're single and lucky, you will find your mate. No, I'm kidding. Furthermore, as far as I'm concerned, this program made me know more about scholarship. I know it's hard for you to stay and learn for about 3 months, but please do till the day of program. The reason why you're here is to pursue your dream, continue your study in overseas, so you need to learn hard. Focus, persistence, remember your sacrifice, the thing that you have been through. I pray you will get everything that you desire. Amin, amin ya rabbal alamin. The last words, grab the opportunity as well as possible. Study hard to reach your dream and get the scholarships. That's the point. Okay, thank you. Keep it up. Semangat. Bye-bye.